Australian cattle dog shedding and allergies. You may have heard of the Australian cattle dog, also known as the blue heeler, and wondered about their shedding tendencies and potential allergies. In this article, we will explore the shedding patterns of Australian cattle dogs and discuss any allergies that may affect them. Australian cattle dogs are known for their thick double coat, which consists of a dense undercoat and a weather-resistant outer coat. This coat is designed to protect them from harsh weather conditions. As a result, they do shed, but not excessively. Their shedding can be categorized as moderate, and it occurs year-round. However, there are peak shedding seasons during which you may notice increased shedding. During the shedding seasons, Australian cattle dogs tend to shed their undercoat. This process helps them get rid of the dead and damaged hair, making way for new hair growth. Regular grooming and brushing can help manage their shedding. By brushing their coat at least once a week, you can remove loose hair and minimize the amount of hair that ends up on your furniture and clothes. It is essential to note that Australian cattle dogs have a unique coat coloration called ticking, which gives their coat a speckled appearance. The ticking effect is caused by small patches of color on each individual hair shaft. These patches of color may not be visible when the dog is a puppy but become more apparent as they grow. The ticking effect can make it harder to detect shedding, as the hair may blend in with the dog's overall coat color. As with any breed, some Australian cattle dogs may be prone to allergies. Common allergies in dogs can include environmental allergens like pollen, dust mites, and mold, as well as food allergies. Symptoms of allergies can vary from dog to dog and can include excessive licking or scratching, red and inflamed skin, ear infections, and gastrointestinal issues. If you suspect your Australian cattle dog has allergies, it is advisable to consult with a veterinarian to determine the best course of action. To manage allergies in Australian cattle dogs, it may be necessary to identify and eliminate the allergens causing the reaction. This can be done through allergy testing, where a veterinarian will determine the specific allergens affecting your dog. Once identified, you can take steps to minimize their exposure to these allergens. This may include using air purifiers, keeping your home clean, using hypoallergenic bedding, and changing your dog's diet to remove any potential allergens. In some cases, your veterinarian may recommend allergy medications or immunotherapy to alleviate your Australian cattle dog symptoms. It is important to follow your veterinarian's guidance and discuss any concerns or questions you may have. While Australian cattle dogs do shed, their moderate shedding can be managed with regular grooming and brushing. Their unique coat coloration can make it harder to spot shedding, so it is essential to pay attention to their coat and engage in regular grooming practices. If your dog exhibits symptoms of allergies, it is crucial to consult with a veterinarian for proper diagnosis and management. In conclusion, Australian cattle dogs have a moderate shedding pattern, with shedding occurring year-round. Their double coat helps protect them from the elements but requires regular grooming to manage shedding. Additionally, some Australian cattle dogs may experience allergies, which can be managed through identification and elimination of allergens. By taking proper care of your Australian cattle dog's coat and addressing any allergies, you can ensure they remain healthy and comfortable,